I'm Janita Smith, and I am the owner of Sweetjays Cupcakes. Sweetjays Cupcakes is a home-based bakery that I started 9 years ago. I am so passionate about baking. It's nothing like getting in the kitchen, making those traditional desserts from childhood. You could taste the love in every bite. Being an African American woman, it's important for me to not only start this business, build it and grow it to leave a legacy for my children, but to also be able to help other people within my community. I want other young women and men to know that it is possible to go after your dreams. We can start our own businesses and we can be successful. I want to leave a legacy for my children. When they're looking for their first job, why not work for Sweetjays? How awesome would that be? You'll see when you try the desserts, you will absolutely taste the love in every bite. I put my heart and soul into every dessert that I do. You need to really check out Sweetjays Cupcakes.